Whether you are on your PC or on your Airbnb app, it's pretty much the same way how to delete Airbnb listing, whether you're again on your PC or on your Airbnb app. So today in this video, I will show you how to delete Airbnb listing on your Airbnb app, but I will also show you how to do it on your computer as well, so that if you don't have an app, you can go and do it on your computer. So basically, as you can see, it's very easy. You need to go to your listings. Whether you're on your app or on your desktop, you will need to find the listings. So make sure to find the listings. And then once you find your listing, you need to click edit on the listing, and under the listing status you have deactivate listing. You can click deactivate listing, and all you have to do is just do that, and you will need to follow the instructions to deactivate your listing. Now, you won't be able to permanently deactivate your listing if you have any upcoming reservations or reservation requests, so you will need to wait until those are removed, or you can basically unlist the listing and then deactivate it later on. Now, if you have any questions, or maybe if this is too difficult for you, you can always contact support and they will be able to deactivate listing for you. So that's pretty much how to delete Airbnb listing on Airbnb app. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next Airbnb tutorial video.